How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Blue Yeti microphone from cutting out in Discord. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have a clean port on your computer, because some users reported that having a dirty or dusty USB or microphone port can actually do this problem. Second is you want to make sure to enable the gain knob, because it will not actually pick up audio from your microphone if it's set all the way down. Right after that, let's then head over to our Discord. Let's click on the voice and video, and you could try to disable some of the features like the noise reduction, because that can actually mess with our voice right here. So in here you have the input profile. The first thing that you want to do is to just make sure to navigate through something like costume, and then from here you want to disable everything just to make sure that the microphone works perfect alone without any voice enhancement. The next thing that you want to do is to just head over to the sound settings of your Windows, navigate through your microphone, and from here click on it. And basically right after, it will then show this page on which you just want to disable the audio enhancement. Once again, this can mess up the microphone input from the microphone, so just make sure that this is disabled. And for the format, you could try using different formats to see which one works best. And the last thing that you want to do is to make sure to update Discord. So that's everything you need to know about fixing your Blue Yeti microphone from cutting out in Discord. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.